Peace, assalamu alaikum. This is Lorena. This is a bath basket, Scentsy products of course. Aloe water and cucumber, Scentsy soak. You can get the Scentsy soak in the closeout section if you can still find it. It's a full-size body lotion, which is going to be retired soon. So if you want those, you need to get on that right away. Shower gel and the hand soap. And this basket is from the Dollar Tree. You use an inexpensive basket. You can put more products in there and keep your costs down. All right, peace. Assalamu alaikum. Peace. Assalamu alaikum. So I did my little bow. I used wired ribbon. I like the wired ribbon because you can adjust it. If it gets flattened out, you can fluff it back up and it'll hold its shape a little bit better. So that's the finished product. It's all ready to go. Peace. Assalamu alaikum.